To create a WhatsApp call link, start by opening WhatsApp on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Next, go to the chat window where you want to create the call link. This can be an individual chat or a group chat. Tap the attach file icon, which is usually represented by a paperclip. From the options that appear, select the link option. You will then be given the option to create a call link. Select this option and choose the type of call you want to create, either a voice call or a video call. Once you have selected the type of call, WhatsApp will generate a link that you can share with others. This link can be shared via WhatsApp, email, or any other messaging platform. When someone clicks on the link, they will be able to join the call without needing to have your phone number saved in their contacts. You can also customize the link by adding a message or a subject to it. This can be useful if you want to provide context for the call or let people know what the call is about. To share the link, simply copy and paste it into the chat window or messaging platform of your choice. You can also share it via email or social media. Best practices for creating WhatsApp call links include making sure you have a stable internet connection before creating the link, and testing the link before sharing it with others. It is also a good idea to keep the link private and only share it with people you trust, as anyone with the link can join the call. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily create a WhatsApp call link and connect with others via voice or video calls.